In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. I welcome to all of you in the virtual learning system of Pakistan International School Thai. This is your science class, grade 2, video number 37. Today we will start new lesson, that is unit number 14, the environment. Reading and explanation, okay? In this lesson, you will learn about the environment, our surrounding. This is your book of science. Open your book. Look at unit number 14, the environment. Students, I want to read first. I want to read, then I will explain, okay, with the help of pictures. So first, all of you listen to me. The environment. Our environment is all that is around us. The land and the buildings, roads and rivers, hills and plains, plants and animals, and even the air all form our environment. We can live a happy and healthy life in a clean environment. Our environment is made up of man-made things as well as natural things. What natural and man-made things can you see in this picture? Okay, student, first of all, you should know about the environment. What is the environment? How you can define environment? Environment means what is in our surrounding. Everything around us made up environment. Okay, everything means you can say in your surrounding, plants, animals, and many other things, mean all things around us, around you, made our environment. Now, how our environment made up? Our environment is made up of man-made things and also natural things. Now, which one are the natural things and which one are the man-made things? First of all, look at this picture, and you can see here in this picture roads, cars, green area, green land, in greenery, grass, trees, buildings, mountains, hills, and also clouds, sky. So which one are the man-made things? Man-made things are those things which made by the man. And natural things are those things which are natural, like for example, plants, grass, mountains, clouds. Okay, these all are natural things. And man-made things are roads. Roads are made by man, cars, and buildings. These all are man-made things. Okay, students. So how our environment is made? It is made up of buildings, roads, rivers, hills, and plants, and also plants and animals, and even the air. Okay. If in our surrounding there is a fresh air or clean air, so our environment will be clean. And if our surrounding there is like polluted air, not clean air, so our environment will be dirty. Okay, students. So how we can save our environment? Everyone wants neat and clean environment. So how we can save our environment? How we can clean our environment? We can clean our environment by using the 3Rs. Okay. First, I will read this page and then I will explain. 3Rs mean The 3 R's mean 3 times we can use here. We can clean our environment by reducing, reusing, and recycling. Okay, so what is this? The 3 R's. 3 R's. We can keep our environment clean by reducing waste, reusing old things, and making new things out of old ones, or recycling. So remember the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. I mean, what is 3 R's? I mean, this is 3 R's principle. Okay, this is 3 R's principle. I mean, these are the principles: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Now, what is reduce? Reduce the amount of things we buy and use. We will have less to throw away. Reuse, keep using the same thing as many times as we can. Recycle, find new ways to use old things. Plants are good for the environment. They clean the air around us, so we should not cut down trees. Instead, we should plant more trees. Okay. These 3 R's I will explain with the help of pictures, but first I want to tell you about the plants. I mean, what is the importance of plants in our environment? Plants, because plants are good for the environment, because plants give us oxygen. Okay. I mean, during respiration, what happens? Plants absorb carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Okay, so plants are good for our environment and to clean our environment. We should not cut plant. Instead, we should plant more trees. How we can save our environment? How we can save our environment? We can save our environment by using 3 R's. Okay, by using 3 R's principle. That is reduce, reuse, and recycle. First one is reduce. Reducing the amount of waste you produce is the best way to help the environment. How? There are lots of ways to do this. For example, how we can reduce the amount of waste. Number one, buy products that don't have a lot of packaging. Okay, don't have a lot of packaging means some things have 2, 3, 4 like this packaging. So you should buy the things that don't have a lot of packaging. Number two, instead of buying something you are not going to use very often, see if you can borrow it from someone you know. Don't buy the things that you don't have to use. More time. Okay, if you have a need of these things only one time, so you can borrow the things from your brothers, sisters, neighbors, like this. Okay. Number three, save energy by turning off lights. How we can save energy? By turning off lights when we don't have need of light. Okay. And number four, save water. How we can save water? We can save water by turning off taps when we are brushing the teeth, when we have no need, and also we should take shorter shower. In these ways, we can save water. Okay, this is the reduce. Now, second one is reuse. How we can use things again. Instead of throwing things away, try to find ways to use them again. For example, reuse means again we can use the thing. Number one, store food in reusable plastic containers. If we have plastic containers at home and we can check if these are usable, so we can use again. Okay. Number two, Use all writing paper on both sides. If you have one paper and it has two sides, and we should write on both sides. Don't waste one side and write only on one side. Number three, use silverware and dishes instead of disposable plastic utensils and plates. We should use silverware and dishes. We can clean these dishes and we can use again. Number four, bring cloth sacks to the store with you instead of taking home new paper or plastic bags, because cloth sacks are washable. Okay, so we should use cloth sacks to store with you instead of taking home new paper or plastic bags. In this way, we can save our environment. Number three, recycle. So what is recycle? Many of the things we use every day like paper, bags, soda cans, and milk bottles are made out of materials that can be recycled. Recycled items are put through a process that makes it possible to create new products. The materials from ones. Number one is reuse plastic bags and buy rechargeable batteries. Okay, how we know that also plastic is reusable, mean recycle. It can process, and also uh, some other materials like soda cans, papers, paper bags. These all are recyclable. Okay, mean these things should be recycled. And also we should buy those things that are rechargeable batteries. Working on the rechargeable batteries mean work with electricity, not with only cell. Okay, so by using these three R's principle, we can save our environment. Which one? Three R's, that is reduce, reuse, and recycle. Okay, students. Keep your environment clean, safe, and healthy. Everyone wants our environment should be neat, clean, safe, and healthy. So how we can save our environment, how we can clean, safe, and healthy our environment by these three R's principle. Okay, students. Now I want to show you some pictures, some clean environment and also dirty environment. Now look at this picture. This is clean or dirty. This is clean environment. Which one is this? Clean environment, and everyone like this environment. Okay. And in this picture, you can see and you can tell me which environment is this? Is it dirty or clean? This is clean environment. Our house. This is the house and this is clean house. And everyone wants like these houses. Now I want to show you some dirty environment pictures. You can see here. This one is dirty or clean? It is dirty environment. No one likes this environment. No one likes this environment. But how we can clean it? By using three R's principle. Now look at this one. You can see here. This is the industrial area, and also this is the main traffic. And you can see here the smoke of the industries and also smoke of the traffic. And this smoke floated over environment. And it can dirty over air also and also over environment. Okay, students. So we can clean this environment by using again and again. I am telling you, we can clean our environment or save our environment by using the R's principle. Okay, students. So also you should take care at home, even you are out of your home. your school, everywhere, we should clean our environment and our surroundings. I hope, inshallah, you will understand it and you will do it. Your homework is this same unit, unit number 14. Okay, read this unit 2 times and also try to understand this unit with the help of pictures. Okay, students, this is very, very interesting and also it is helpful for us and also for you students. Okay, so you can apply from today. Okay, students, I hope, inshallah, you will understand it. Okay, inshallah, in our next lecture, we will do exercise of this unit. So take care. Allah Hafiz.